This is where today's story begins, with a fairly simple Ferrari 296 GTB and some very questionable black stripes. Too bad we are literally outside Lamborghini's headquarters in Sant'Agata Bolognese, and Ferrari never tested any car here. This definitely reminds me of their SF90 Assetto Fiorano being benchmarked by Lambo's engineers. Let me try something.
2 hours later.
Yeah, pretty cool Huracan STO, with the viola exterior. Oh, there it is! Let's see if I was actually right. Oh yes, yes I was. I know this is common practice for every car manufacturer out there, and I also showed you many of these cars in the past, but it's always kinda funny to get one on camera.